Remy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I'm doing a video that you've been asking for way too long and I am so excited to bring it back. Also, huge shout out to the National Pork Board for sponsoring this video. Today we are going to be recreating viral Instagram food or viral food that I found online that I really want to eat. We're gonna make pork eggs Benedict, which sounds amazing. We're gonna make a giant breakfast pizza, and then we're gonna make an ice cream cookie pizza thing. It's gonna be amazing. All right, so first up, we are starting with the pork Benedict fries, which my stomach is growling just thinking about this. I'm taking a shortcut for these, and I'm just gonna use pre-made French fries, but you can cut some potatoes up if you want. All right, so I'm gonna get these going in the oven, and then we're gonna move on to the toppings. But here we go. I saw these on Instagram. They looked so good, it's insane. So I'm gonna line my baking sheet here. Sheet is laid, a little spray oil, make sure they don't stick. We're gonna bake these for 30 minutes. Oh my God, I'm so excited about these, I just got so excited. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. We want a nice even layer, beautiful. And I'm gonna cook them for 30 minutes. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, please don't get my slippers. Do you like my slippers? Yes. Okay, baking these. So, if you guys did not know, pork actually is really great for heart health. You guys are gonna see in an upcoming video about my whole new diet plan and everything that's coming very soon, but I've been having pork for lunch. I love it because it's affordable, it's lean, it's really easy to cook with, and it's really easy to cook. Also, for someone like me who's really impatient, it does not take a long time to cook. I feel like a lot of people overcook it, and my whole life growing up, I always thought that when you eat pork, it should be white on the inside, but actually, it should be pink, which I had no idea about. But we're going to cook up some pork today, chop it up, put it on the fries. It's gonna be so good. So let's go over here. All right, I'm gonna spray my pan. I'm gonna cook all of this because I'm going to eat some with the fries, and then I'm also just gonna save some for lunch tomorrow. So, gonna cook her up. She looks good. And because these are thin, they cook really quickly. Then let it rest for 3 minutes. So, again, pink, now white. It smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna put some garlic powder on top to add some flavor. Oh my God, it smells so good. And then also some lemon pepper, just to season her up. Ooh, yeah. We also like that I'm not following a recipe at all. I'm gonna fill up this little wok with some water, and we're gonna poach the eggs because it wouldn't be an eggs Benedict without eggs. I'm gonna get this boiling, and we're gonna flip the pork. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, look at that. We got green onions, a green cutting board, and a green dress. We're gonna chop up some green gunions. We're gonna chop up some green onions to add as a nice garnish. You can also do chives, but I like green onions more. I like the flavor of them. Such a chef, it hurts. Oh, I'm doing them way too thick. Hold on, hold on. Yes. Okay, onions are good. We're cooking the pork. Fries are baking. Gonna do the eggs now and then make the sauce, and then we're good to go. We've got our garnish. The pork is cooking and smelling so good. The fries are baking. All that's left to do now is poach the eggs and make the hollandaise sauce, which I am nervous about. I've never done that before, but are necessities with eggs Benedict. So let's get working on that, and then we can assemble and eat. All right, pulled the pork off the pan. I'm cooking the other pieces. I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes and let it rest. Next up, we're gonna make something called hollandaise sauce, which is like a sauce made out of egg yolks and butter, and it's amazing and so good, and I've never tried making it before. Okay, wish me luck. I'm very nervous. I feel like this is a very complicated thing to do. I'm gonna separate the egg yolks from the whites. I only need the yolks. Oh no, oh no, no. Oh my God, it's okay, I don't need the whites. Ah! Ah! Okay, 1, oh no, 2. Okay, this one's better. I feel it. So good. 2, got it. All right, so I'm gonna whisk this with my lemon juice. Oh, maybe I should have done it in my mixer. I've got lemon juice and a seed. No one saw that, it's fine. We're gonna whisk this until it's apparently supposed to double in size. Ow, I have a cut on my finger. I don't think this is gonna go well. Let's see. One time I did this and I sprained my wrist, so here's hoping. I actually think it's working. My wrist hurts, but I don't think it's bad. Now, we're gonna melt some butter up, and we're gonna put this on a double boiler, but it can't be too hot, otherwise we'll get scrambled eggs, which is really bad. We've got our egg mixture. I'm gonna put it over the simmering water, and keep whisking. I don't know how long. I'm whisking the eggs. Now I slowly drizzle in my melted butter. Guy Fieri is shaking. This is some diners, drive-ins, and dives kind of food. I'm impatient.
Just keep whisking.
Just keep whisking, just keep whisking. Until apparently it's supposed to double in size. Ooh, I think it's working. Ooh, it's working. Look at it. Oh my God, I never thought I'd be able to make this. I've always been scared to try because it looks really hard. I'm so proud. Actually, I can't speak yet. Soon. I'm sweating. It's also very hot right here. Ooh, you guys, it's working. Look at this.
Ooh.
It's getting, oh my God. Oh, it's happening. Look at it, look. Take her off the heat. Let her sit. Come with me, girlie. Thank you. I am a chef. You see that? Gordon Ramsay is now shaking as well. We are now going to chop up the pork into little strips. We're gonna put these on top of the fries. I still need to poach my eggs, but I'm not gonna film that because you literally just drop eggs into some boiling water. Nothing crazy. And then we're going to assemble. It looks so good. Also, I definitely already ate a whole one and it was really yummy. So that's that. I'm just cutting it into little strips and then we'll throw this on top of the fries. You guys, it smells so good in here. We're gonna assemble. I have a massive plate. My energy just went up by 50. I'm so excited. I'm gonna take my fries, put them on the plate. I think this might be one of the best things I've ever made. Also, I feel like a big trend on Instagram is like big food and like this is a lot of food. Got a mound of fries. Beautiful. Okay, she looks great. Ooh, okay, we're gonna like arrange them. I'm gonna put my pork on top. I did little strips, but you could do like little cubes if you want to. Oh my God. I've got my poached eggs here because it's eggs Benedict, of course. I can get rid of any liquid. Oof. I'm gonna drizzle. Oh my goodness. The sauce on top. I'm sorry, I'm screaming so much. On top. Oh my God. This looks actually almost exactly like the picture too. Garnish, of course. Oh my goodness. And then cayenne pepper or paprika works too, but just a little bit on top. All right guys, that is how you make pork, eggs, Benedict, fries. I don't even know what to call them, but this looks actually exactly like the pictures that I saw on Instagram. It smells amazing. And of course, we would not be Instagram foodies if we didn't do some yolk porn. So bring the camera in. Let's do this. Ready? I don't know how to do this. I think they just like, they cut it and let it like fall. I did actually a really good job with that. Ooh, wait, hold on. Maybe this one. I think they go like this. Do they like chop? I don't know. But it looks good and it smells amazing. And that's how you make pork, eggs, Benedict, French fries. All right, the fries were a success. Everybody else here agrees. If you want to pan around and show. I agree! We've got a full audience. Okay, moving on, we are going to make a breakfast pizza. Basically, I saw this massive slice of pizza. So it's like a pizza, but it's shaped like a big slice. And then on top of it, they put little baby pancakes and bacon on top, and I wanted to try it. So we are going to spray the pan again. We got new foil out, and I've got some pre-made pizza crust, and apparently I'm just supposed to pop this open and then pre-bake it for 8 minutes, and then we'll cook it like a normal pizza. I don't think it's gonna be too hard. It looks pretty easy. Again, I don't really have instructions, so we're just gonna go for it. Sorry. I've never tried making a dough in my life, so I didn't want to try today. The idea of yeast really freaks me out. Open her up, and then I'm gonna shape it like a giant triangle because again, it's a giant slice. All right, I just made some Bisquick pancake mix, and I'm gonna make little mini pancakes on this pan. I'm gonna spray it with oil, and then I have this little baby cookie dough ball thing. I'm just gonna like attempt to make little baby pancakes. Oh my God, cute. I'm gonna do this like 1,000 times, and then we'll get back to the pizza. But this is easy. The other one was a little harder. This is easier. Oh! All right, we pre-baked the dough, and now we're gonna put sauce and cheese on like a normal pizza. Nothing crazy. Wow, the dough actually works very well. We're gonna do sauce and cheese, and then put it back in the oven. Easy. 1, 2, 3, flip. Oh my God! I think I have a new career in pancakes. Spoke too soon. Oh, it's fine. guys, I almost just burnt them, but I have a pancake sixth sense. I'm making them very messy. Look at how fluffy they are. They're so cute. I also pre-cooked the bacon already. I saw Chrissy Teigen cooks her bacon in the oven, so I cooked my bacon in the oven, and it turned out pretty well. Pizza is made. We're gonna stick her back in the oven for like 10 minutes, and then assemble. This is so easy. All right, pizza's out. We got the pancakes, we got little strips of bacon, and then I also cut some frozen butter into little squares to put on top of our pancake. And now we just assemble it. All right, guys, the pizza is done. That was actually like really easy and only took like maybe 20 minutes or so. I think the hardest part was the pancakes, and that's really easy. So, here we go. Done. All right, guys, last recipe. We have a sugar cookie cinnamon toast crunch pie cookie thing. I don't know. We're just gonna make it because I saw it online and I honestly have never seen anything that looked better before. So I have this little like personal cake pan thingy. Gonna spray it with my oil yet again. And then I'm going to take some sugar cookie dough. I'm gonna open this up. I need scissors. I'm gonna just plop my cookie dough down into my pan and just press it out. This one's honestly the easiest out of all of them and takes pretty much no time at all, but it looked so good I had to recreate it. I feel like this would be fun if you're having like a little sleepover party or something. You could like make this and eat it all together with your friends or by yourself. Ow. I'm gonna bake this for 15 minutes and then I'll see you guys when it's done. We've done like half the work already. Cookie is out, we let it cool for a little bit. I'm now gonna scoop, this is so easy. I'm gonna scoop ice cream that I let soften a bit on top. How many scoops should we do, Eli?
3.
3? I was gonna do like 5.
Oh, 5.
5. This with like a hot cookie. Actually, you know what, that looks good. Oh, it's so hot, it's melting. Okay, whipped cream, of course. Fill in all the gaps, a little bit on top. Okay, ready? Sprinkle of cinnamon on top of this, like a snickerdoodle. And then, to top it all off, we've got some cereal. Oh, it looks exactly like the picture on top, but I like a lot of cereal, so I'm doing lots. But literally like 3 steps, so easy. There you go, done, boom. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this series and you want to see more, be sure to comment down below what you guys want to see me attempt to make. Also, huge shout out to the National Pork Board for sponsoring this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.